Welcome to a new video of the 1982 Kawasaki 750 Limited rebuild. Maybe you can remember from my previous video that I had a problem with the flasher unit. So the blinkers went on but they weren't flashing, so I thought I might buy a new flasher. This is the old one, and a big surprise today. The new flasher unit came in the post. I ordered two of them, and I ordered them through eBay out of China, and I was surprised to find out that it only took about 2 weeks for the delivery, and I paid about $3.60 for these two flashers. So let me open the package, install it, and see if the turn signals are going to work again. Well, this is an idea of how it was packed on the inside of the plastic bag. So let's see what's inside. I ordered two of them. In a little cardboard box. And here we have the 12 volt flasher unit. It's not the same flasher as I've been using. The round one, this one is rectangular shape. But let's see if it works. Right, well, first we'll take off the old flasher. Connect the new one. There we go. Let's give it a try. Well, here we are. I installed the new flasher unit, as you can see here. It's not the same as a circular one that was on here originally, but I think it should do the job. So let's have a look. Turn on the ignition. There we are. And have a look at the turn signal. Well, would you have a look at that? Perfect. That problem has been solved. There it goes. Excellent. So a 12 volt Chinese made part works perfect on this bike. Not original, but on the other hand it was only $1.80 and it works fine. 2 weeks delivery time, shorter than I thought. So that's been solved. Look forward to a next video.